Good morning guys, we have just finished a walking tour here in Barcelona. It was really good actually. There's so much history here that I did not know about.
Saying is that it's the number one building in Barcelona, some of the things in the country that they made here, and it's something that started in 1882. That's why everybody hears about it so long, this construction of 137 years right now. You see the sun is coming up. That's a picture right there. For the area just up the way out.
Apparently that's a unicorn, a dog, and there's the gremlin.
That unicorn's for you, so.
We're going to get some soup dumplings for lunch.
Yeah,
we found them along the way.
Yeah, and they have our favourite dumplings there, so we're really excited. They like a soup dumpling. After this, we're probably going to head down to the harbour because we haven't been down there yet, and then we have booked tickets to Parc Guell for 4:30. So when you see it, you'll be like, oh yeah, I've seen photos of that. And then tonight we're hoping to go out for dinner with the girls from our room in the hostel, the American girls. And yeah.
Let's do it. I'm so hungry. The tour went for quite some time.
Screaming like we're on top. I'm supernova about the way we're making moves, and I can't help but feel it so good. Smelling citrus, I'm your witness to a love in bloom. Sneaking in your drop top. T-minus 10 until I lift up here with you, with you.
Alright, we just made our way down to the more harbour area. You see all the palm trees lined behind us? We just learned in the tour that for the 1992 Olympics, they wanted to make the place look a little bit nicer and bring in a little more tourism. So they actually got all these palm trees from California. All the beaches here in Barcelona are fake. All the sand is from Egypt, did they say?
Yeah.
Egypt, which is crazy because this whole street is lined with palm trees and Barcelona is known for their good beaches.
Yeah, but it's all like fake. Who would have thought?
So we just got the metro up here to the Viewpoint Park.
Parc Guell.
So tickets up here to the Viewpoint were €10 each. This is the famous view of Barcelona that I've seen before coming here. So this is going to be a pretty decent view.
We're doing some construction at the moment, so a lot of the seating's like blocked off, but there is bits that you can see, and of course the famous bit across the Viewpoint is still okay.
It's very hot here at the moment. We're both sweating and we have to walk up a huge hill. What it's like to try and get a photo without anyone in it.
Ridiculous.
It is a nice view from up here, but it's slightly disappointing just because of all the construction going on. They've literally got fences up around the whole seating area around the outside. As you can see right here, the only viewing point is here, and then they've blocked it all off. Disappointing when you pay full price and you can only see some of it. Anyway, these gardens look a bit nice, so we're going to go for a walk down into the garden. The lower half is a lot better than the top.
Yeah, it's not so.
The top was a little underwhelming at the moment.
We tried to start a line so then people would like wait their turn to take a photo, and they would just push straight through.
It lasted for what, 2 minutes, and then
after, yeah.
I wish it was like Choltonga when we did the hike. Everyone just got the pot, and if you wanted a photo out in the peak, everyone was a nice orderly line and relaxed. But Yeah, here everyone's just pushing it. Alright guys, what a night. We ended up going out for dinner with the 2 girls in our room at the hostel. They're 2 girls from Ohio. So that was really nice. They took us to a place they went the other day for dinner. Now we're just heading back to the hostel, and we're going to call it a night because tomorrow we have a super early flight to Switzerland. So I'm super excited. Thanks for watching guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.